Hey there, welcome back to AI Tools Academy. Today, I've got something incredible to share with you, a game changer for coders, creators, and AI enthusiasts like us. Say hello to Trae AI, an AI-powered coding tool from ByteDance that's completely free to use and comes packed with some of the most advanced models out there, including the brand new Claude 3.7 Sonnet. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what Trae is, how to get started, and how you can harness Claude 3.7 Sonnet to supercharge your projects, all without spending a dime. So grab your coffee and let's dive in. First things first, what is Trae AI? Trae is a cutting-edge code editor built by ByteDance. Yes, the same folks behind TikTok. What sets it apart? It gives you unlimited free access to powerhouse AI models like Claude 3.7 Sonnet from Anthropic and Deepseek R1. Plus, it's built on top of Visual Studio Code, so it feels familiar if you're already using VS Code. Trae has two killer modes: chat mode, where you can ask questions, get suggestions, and analyze code in real time, and builder mode, where you can describe an app in plain English, and Trae will generate the entire project for you. Files, folders, and all. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. Let's see it in action. All right, let's get Trae up and running. First, let's go to your browser, type Trae AI. I'll drop the link in the description. And go to the download page to download it suitable for your Mac or PC. I downloaded version suitable for Mac. Installation is super quick. Once it is downloaded, go to your download folder and unzip it, and then move to application folder. Then go to your Spotlight search and open it up. For the first time, they may ask you questions and follow what they suggested. And you'll see this sleek interface that's a lot like VS Code but with a twist. On the left, you've got your File Explorer, and on the right, there's a sidebar for chat and builder modes. For the first-time user, you may to use your email to sign it up and log in. Before we jump in, let's pick our AI model. Click the model selector, usually at the top or in settings, and choose Claude 3.7 Sonnet. This bad boy is Anthropic's latest, excelling at coding, reasoning, and even showing its step-by-step thought process in extended thinking mode. Since Trae offers it for free, we're sticking with that today. Now, let's put Claude 3.7 Sonnet to work. First up, chat mode. Let's go to sidebar and select chat here. Let's say I'm stuck on a Python problem. I'll type write a function to reverse a string. Boom, Claude 3.7 Sonnet spits out the code instantly with an explanation of how it works. You can tweak it, ask follow-ups, or even say, optimize this, and it'll refine it for you. It's like having a coding tutor on speed dial. Next, builder mode. This is where the magic happens. Switch to builder in the sidebar, and let's create something from scratch. I'll type, build me a simple to-do list app in JavaScript with HTML and CSS. Let's wait a few seconds. Watch this. Trae and Claude 3.7 Sonnet Street Art breaking it down, creating an index HTML, style CSS, and script JS, all fully functional. It even adds comments, so you know what's going on. In minutes, I've got a working app I can run locally. How cool is that? And here's a pro tip. If you want Claude to think harder, ask it to show your steps in your prompt. It'll show its reasoning step by step, perfect for debugging or learning. For example, go back to your chat mode. If we type, solve the following equation, x plus 5 asterisk 2 equals 18. Show your steps. Let's see what happened. Wow, it can break down to steps to enable users to understand the middle steps. You can try more other examples to unleash the power of Trae AI. That's all for today's demo. Meanwhile, if you find this video is helpful, please like it and share your comments and suggestions below. Do not forget to subscribe if you want more useful AI tools soon. Thank you.